Right next to me is the Meraki product assembly line. As you can see, the base unit has been completed this morning, so my colleagues now are working on getting the 3 modular units fixed onto the base. With the help of the jig, we can ensure that the screws, wires and cables are fixed and fastened into the correct positions. Quality check will take place at each station as well as at the end of the assembly line. This is where all the fancy electronics take place. Right next to me are 2 machines using surface mount technologies, placing components directly onto the PCB boards. After the SMT process, all the PCB boards get sent here for further inspection and manual assembly work. Every completed PCB will go through quality inspection prior to loading up in the black box and get sent to downstairs to join in the full machine assembly. Hello and welcome back to our factory tour. As a critical sub-assembly of the Meraki espresso machine, grinder testing take place at this facility. Now we're going to take you on a tour to look at the different test equipments. This is an image measuring device, which is very similar to CMM, but uses a camera to measure the parts. What this allows is that you can zoom right in to see the details of the burrs. This machine is commonly used for measuring the distance and size of components coming off the production line. In this testing in particular, we're measuring the burr size as part of the grinder testing. The live test machine will be grinding beans for hours to check if there's a performance reduction of the burrs and motors in the grinders if you use them for a long time. Temperature shock test will be conducted to check if the grinder's performance is affected if there's a rapid change in temperature. During the drop test, we'll be dropping the grinder from a set height and check if it's damaged after the test. This is a shipping tester. It simulates the transportation of a product during shipping. The tester will shake around as if the product is on a lorry or in a boat. After the test, we'll open the box and check if the product is broken. Now we're in a different lab. What's next to me is a coffee powder particle analyzer. During this testing, we're going to measure the coffee grind size and distribution. We pour the coffee grind from the top. As it goes into the device, the laser cameras will take hundreds of pictures per second, then measuring and counting the particles, which will then turn into real-life data displayed on the screen.